Now, I'm gonna be completely honest. The only way to make money as a teenager is to do. As a teenager, I was pretty obsessed with making money and I still am. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work from home and how to make money as a teenager. You can decide for yourself which route is better for you. I'm going to show you a side hustle and online money making opportunity that you can use without any money. So it doesn't matter how old you are and what you do, you can take advantage of the money making method that I am going to talk about today. Which of the money making ways you have tried and succeeded? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Sania here and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then please do subscribe to my channel where I teach you how to make money online in an easy way. So if you are thinking about subscribing, then just do it because it's free and you can always unsubscribe if you decide to hate. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can make money online whether you are 60, 20, 50 or 70 or even 13. This method is 100% working worldwide and none of it require a PayPal account or any startup money. Isn't that great? So the first way to make money as a teenager from home is by selling your merch designs online. If you already watched my super popular video here, then you can probably know what I am talking about. But if you didn't, then do watch this video and you can find the link in the description below. Okay guys, so keep watching this whole video because I am going to show you some cool website that you can use for this method. Plus, I am also going to show you a new winning product that you could be selling with this method. And I'm going to show you how people are able to open free online merch stores and earn a nice side income using this method and without needing a PayPal account as a teenager. So whether you are a teenager or an adult, you can open an online store and start selling custom merchandise online for free. And you don't even need any artistic skills to do so. Now you may be asking me how. Well, it's because of the website like CafePress. CafePress lets people like you or me to sell custom products that we create for a profit for free because it's a very different from a traditional online store where you have to buy a domain name and then install your own e-commerce software from scratch and then pay to advertise your store to get customers into CafePress. CafePress is a giant pre-existing online store, so anyone can add and list products on it and sell them. It is a little bit similar to eBay. People come to eBay each day to buy products and anyone can list items for sale on there. In CafePress, anyone can create and list products for sale on there in the form of custom merchandise. Each year, CafePress sells tens of millions of dollars of custom merch and CafePress lets you sell a huge range of merch for free and make money from it. The biggest overall seller is of course the classic t-shirt, but that's not all you can create. You can sell your own custom hoodies or you can create your mugs all for free. So you might be thinking, okay Sania, but I don't get it. I'm broke teenager. How can I create and sell product like this without any money, right? Well, the answer is no. All you need to do is sign up for a free CafePress account, and once you have created your free account, go to the My Designs page and here you can upload your chosen design. It won't ask you for your birth year, so you don't have to worry about that. CafePress is more than happy to have teenagers sell on their website. So you don't need to sell on lie on here to be able to sell, and once you have uploaded your design that you want to use, you can then choose which of the products you want to sell it on. Once you have chosen your products, you can then go and tweak them. So for example, I can move the design to sit lower on the t-shirt or higher and can make it smaller, bigger, like things like that. And I can modify the title of my project page too. So it's all kind of customized. Once you have created your product, CafePress will automatically create a product listing for it in the marketplace. Isn't that cool? and then a customer comes and buys a t-shirt from you. Cafe Press has a clothing factory that they will print your design onto your t-shirt and package the t-shirt up and then ship it to the customer automatically without you having to do anything. So guys, in the e-commerce industry, we actually have a name for this service, and it's called print on demand, because that's literally what it is. Customers order your t-shirt and then they get printed on demand as customers order them. And with Cafe Press, you never have to spend any money because you never paid for that t-shirt yourself, and still have Cafe Press lets you create your products and then set the price. And when a customer buys the product, Cafe Press will collect their money and remove their commission or creation fees from it, and send the rest to you as a profit in the form of commission. At this point, you might be thinking that I can't create and design my own t-shirts. I'm not an artist. I have no graphic design skills. I can't hire someone to design t-shirt for me. What should I do? Well, you know what? No one cares. It literally does not matter. If you choose to focus on text-based designs, it doesn't matter. Using the free graphic designs app like Canva, you can use the free open source and fonts to create the simple text-based designs. You can also take inspiration from top-selling designs on Cafe Press. Now, of course, if you are an artist, do use your artistic abilities to create cool designs for sure. But if you are an artistic, don't let that thing stop you. Just focus on selling products like t-shirts, mugs that still look great, even with simple text-based designs. But yes, I do not suggest that you just copy pre-existing designs, as copying them would be copyright claims and all that problem. So I don't want you to get into that. Instead of that, you can take an inspiration from them and recreate it. Cafe Press is just one print-on-demand marketplaces. There are lots of other marketplaces like it that you can list your products on. So once you have created them, there are multiple places you can advertise on. There's another website that I like. It's called Redbubble. It works exactly the same as Cafe Press, and they are either more popular. It's more popular than Cafe Press. So just like the Cafe Press, you don't have to advertise your products because people are literally coming to Redbubble to buy merch. And actually, Redbubble has a product that Cafe Press doesn't, that is face mask that we need nowadays. And right now, people are making lots of money by creating and selling their own face mask. So this is making, face mask is making so much money because lots of in states in the USA are actually making the face mask wearing people very important and mandatory, and people want to have fun with the face mask instead of the plain white mask or surgical mask. So custom face masks are truly making people a lot of money while also adding joy into the customer's life by having the face mask to choose from instead of boring ones. But yes, you're absolutely 100% allowed to take your Cafe Press designs and upload them to Redbubble and sell them on products at their own, because you have the rights for that design. And just like with Cafe Press, it is absolutely free. Redbubble collects the money that the customer pays and then remove their commission, and then they pay out the difference to you. And this is called the commission, just like the Cafe Press. Guys, I know many of you are thinking, what does that? It doesn't work. So let me answer this now. Yes, it absolutely 100% works. If you just take a second to Google it, people are making hundreds to even thousands of dollars a month selling merchandise like this on these online marketplaces. And the number one way to do is by learning how to choose and optimize your products for the internal search engine. And if you would like to learn more about how to do this, then there are lots of free YouTube videos out there that have tutorials and in-depth information on this specific topic. So if you're interested, be sure to do a search for them and learn from them. But the big question here is, as a teenager without a PayPal account, and how can I get paid? Well, it's kind of funny. Literally, no one checks your age when you register. Each print-on-demand site has its own age minimums in the terms and services pages. For Redbubble, as long as you are 16, it's all good. And if you are selling on Cafe Press, they are even more lenient. And as long as you're 13 and have supervision like permission from your parents, then the terms and conditions allow you to use this site. For Redbubble, they will pay your money directly to your bank account. If you live in the US, UK or Australia, you can get your own bank account and get a debit card, which is essentially a prepaid credit card with your parents' help. And this is called a joint account. So teenagers can always have this facility with the help of their parents, and you open a joint account. In Cafe Press, they are even easier with the payouts. If your parents are not willing to go to a bank and get an account set up for you, then Cafe Press will literally get your commissions mailed to you in the form of a check. With a check, you just have to go and take it to the bank, and then they will turn into a cash. So guys, you have got your entire life ahead of you. So you have a time to test out different things, all of these things you can try out. Doing this will give you an idea of what you might want to do for your rest of your life. Plus, you may also really enjoy something on here, but you want something that you hated. So you may be really good at something you thought and you won't have sucked at that. So it all depends what you want to do. So I suggest that first you have to try it. Without trying it, you won't be able to know what you love and what you don't love. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, as it means a lot to me. If you want to learn more on how to earn money online, then check out this video here. I share exactly how to stay ahead of the curve starting today. So go now and watch this amazing video here.